So today we are going to see how to create an application in Spring MVC, and then we will upload onto the Git, right? So what I have did here, that I have created this application, as you can see here, right? This is Spring MVC CRUD operations, and this I have gone to the terminal, right? And this is the repository. As you can see here, I have gone to the D drive as Spring Tut, and this is my folder in which we have created Spring MVC CRUD operations, right? And in which I have given the command git init. So based on the git init, it will initialize the empty git repository in D drive, right? The location that you have created the application, right, with the dot git. So all the history you will have in the this dot git folder, right? And you can go to this location, you can see here. Okay, next what I can say, after that, coming to here, we have to add all the working files, right? And what we have to do, we have to post the next command after the git init, that is a git add. And then we have to, if you know the exact file, only one file or more than files, so I have to did dot, so that I can get all the files, right? So after getting this, you can see that I have added all the files, and then I am saying that git commit I will pass as a git commit message. So for the git commit message, right, to commit this files onto the git, you have to pass git commit and -m, and then you have to pass the first commit. Like that you can pass anything, any message, right? So that these are the files that I'm going to put into the git, right? So this is the master commit, right? And so that this is our first commit. So 41 files are there and 65 insertion are there, right? So these are the locations that you can see in my folder. Now coming to here, I am going to create I have pushed this one, so I got a fatal error, and it was saying that fatal is could not read from the remote repository. Why? Because please make sure that you have the correct access rights and the repository exists, right? So I have access, but what I don't know, like I was thinking that I have already configured this git initializes things, right? So after that, you have to do, if you want to push from the your anywhere from D drive, C drive, anywhere global location from there you want to push onto the git. So what you have to do, you have to make another command, that is a git push. Then you have to pass -u and then origin main, right? So what you will see that you will have to add one, we can say, git user, right, into our git, right? So for that, what we have to do, so for that, what you have to do, you have to create one command, that is git keygen, and this is my email, right? And after that, you have to enter, if you want to enter some password, you can pass the password, otherwise you can put next, right? So 3 times you will get, and next you have to enter, next you have to enter, next you have to enter in these places. So we'll get the location, you will get where your private key and private files and public files are there, right? So if you go to this location, in this location you will see your private files, right? So this is my window computer, right? So you will see that I'm going to this location, but I'm not able to see. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to this location if you are using Mac or something else, right? Linux, then you can use this command that I have used here, right? cd, and then you will go to this location, and like this I'm going, right, cd this location, and you will find the ls, then you will see all the files that I'm going to show you. So this is my location where I have gone through. I have just created this file, you can see the date, right? And these private keys I have added, right? So if you'll open any of this one, I have opened this one, and I have copied this file, right? So you can see this is the key I have, and I have what I did, I try to copy this one, and then I have added onto the this keys, right? So this is my GitHub account, and on that I have added this as a new sh key, right? So what you will do, you can go and you can add your sh key. Okay, so you have to follow those instructions. Now coming to this one, once you will do git push -u and then origin main, then what will happen, all the things you will get upload on here, right? All the files that you have here that you try to commit this one, that will go to your branch, right? And so that you can say this is our final track is there. Now if you go to our location, let me go to this location. So I have just uploaded one repository now. Yeah, this repository is currently 6 minutes ago. I have just committed this one. So you can see my first commit contains all the things that I have sent just here, right? So this is about 14 minutes and I have committed all my files here, right? So you can view the files details that I have just created, right? Okay, thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please hit comment, subscribe this channel so that you will get the further notification for the new videos. Thank you so much.